Hey everyone, I'm Ron from Coleno, the leading suite app for accounts receivable. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to review and reconcile negative inventory in NetSuite, so let's get started. The first thing to do is to go in the menu, in Setup, Accounting. In the Manage GL section, you click on Manage Accounting Periods. Then you will look for the accounting period that you want to change. You will select this checklist icon for the period, and then once it's open, you might have to do the task beforehand. You choose the review negative inventory. Here I can click on review negative inventory, and then you can change the as of date. If you are using multi-location inventory, you can filter by location, and then after, in the table below, you can adjust inventory amounts to correct negative counts. If you find this video helpful, please like it. So let's say that now I've adjusted everything. I go back and I can mark the task as complete here. Note that you can mark the task complete even if some inventory counts remain negative. The close period checklist logs the date and user. Don't forget to subscribe to the newsletter link I'm putting in the comment sections for NetSuite tips and tutorials, and see you in the next one.